Good morning, guys. So here is the windshield washer fluid pump. I'm gonna try and get the camera to focus on here. And so the easiest way to access this thing is to just go in here and pull back some of this shield, some of your inner plastic fender liner. I just took a few of these plastic push pins and rivets out and peeled it back a little bit, and then you can get in there and you can see it. Although there it goes, the camera is not really trying to cooperate with me this morning. Now you can get to it from the top, but the problem with that is, I mean, see, coming in from the top, you can see it down there, but it's pretty far down there, and if you stick your arm down in there, your body ends up a little bit contorted, and I found that it was hard to put enough pressure on that thing to pop it back into the reservoir. So it was a lot easier for me to just come in here from the side, and that way I could get some force on it and push it in, because it's just a compression fit is all it is. It doesn't screw in or anything like that. It just pushes into the reservoir. In fact, here's the old one that I took out that failed, and you can see the O-ring on it right there. And like I said, this whole thing just pops into the reservoir. Something else that makes it a little easier, I think, when you're putting the new one in, is to take the O-ring off, and then just put the O-ring into the reservoir first, and then slide the body of the motor, or the pump rather, into the O-ring. If you do it in that order, it seems to go a lot smoother. So I got the new pump all hooked up, and now it will spray washer fluid again. Now, I bought this little motor on Rock Auto for like 13 bucks. So if you go to a dealership and have them do this, don't let them rape you on it. You can buy this thing, like I said, for 13 bucks, plus a little bit of shipping, and you can peel this back and pop the new one in and do it yourself in like 10 minutes. So it's a relatively cheap fix, and with winter coming on pretty soon, of course I won't be driving this car in the snow, but we get to this time of the year, we get a lot of junk and on the roads and rain and stuff, and so you're gonna need your washer fluid. So anyway, that's how you do it. I had this light taken out just to be able to see back in there, because you can see a little bit better with more light going in there. And so this just pops back in as well. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this job. Washer fluid is spraying on the windshield again. So another repair done on the old girl. We'll talk to you guys later.